At the Milken Family Foundation, we believe that teachers have the most important job because they are entrusted with the responsibility of providing all of you with a bright future. Great teachers make a difference. In sports, the best athletes get Most Valuable Player awards and Heisman trophies. Entertainers get Oscars, Emmys, and Grammys. But our educators, well, they haven't had that kind of celebration. And the people at the Milken Family Foundation set out to change that. This year, Milken Family Foundation staff have been traveling all over the country giving Milken Educator Awards to outstanding educators. And one of the best teachers in the entire country is here in your school. Do you want to know who it is? Okay. And the Milken Educator Award goes to Micah Depper.
I had the pleasure and the honor of being in a role where I got to be in every classroom in this school over the last couple years. And I can say with no reservation that this could have gone to so many of my colleagues here who are just the most hardworking, dedicated, amazing, innovative group of people here. And so I just, to the whole community here, thank you.
Everything he does in the classroom, from his instructional strategies that he uses to just the engagement that he has with students and the relationships that he forms with students. He's the complete package.
We get to know every one of our kids, and we know what their personal circumstances are, and we know what they need to show up every day, and we're constantly adapting and working together as a team to make sure that our kids become informed citizens, but that they're also good people.
I mean, being a teacher, I know is not easy, and I think, it's definitely important to recognize the just like sheer dedication it takes to teach all those students, and that's really important.